Today, let's practice breathing like birds. I have some friends here who will help us learn and hopefully practice with us. As humans, we have a two-part breath cycle. We breathe in oxygen that goes into our lungs. It gets converted into carbon dioxide as we breathe out. But birds have a four-part breath cycle. They have two inhales and two exhales with each cycle. In this cycle, with the first inhale, they breathe oxygen in, and that oxygen goes into air sacs in their lower body. With their first exhale, the gases come back into their lungs. Then their next inhale, they breathe in, filling up air sacs in the sides of their body. All of the excess oxygen that's being stored in their lungs moves into spaces inside of their hollow bones. Then their second and final exhale, they exhale all of the carbon dioxide out. So obviously, physiologically, we can't breathe like this, but we can practice as best we can. Start by sitting or kneeling comfortably. Sit up nice and tall. With our first inhale, we'll breathe deep into the belly, expanding that space. Then as you exhale, imagine sending that exhale into the sides of your body, into your limbs, anywhere there's a little bit of space. With the second inhale, we'll breathe into the chest and into the sides of our body. Then as you exhale, second exhale will send everything out. Let's practice together. Exhale all of your breath. And inhale deep into your belly. Fill up your belly. Exhale, send that exhale into your bones and limbs. Inhale, breathe into your chest and your sides. Then exhale, let everything go. Inhale into the belly. Exhale, breathe through the body. Inhale into the chest and the sides. Exhale, let it all out. Once more, inhale into the belly. Exhale, send your exhale through. Inhale into the chest. Exhale completely. Let's add a little bit of movement to the breath. As you inhale into your belly, sweep your arms out to the sides, reach up towards the sky. Then as you exhale, sending that breath into your fingers and arms and legs, sweep your arms down, maybe touch the earth. Inhale, reach up, breathe into your chest and your sides. Then exhale, reach back down, bring your hands to your belly, let all of the breath go. Good, inhale into the belly, circle the arms. Exhale, circle down, send your breath through your body. Inhale, belly and chest and sides. Exhale, back down. Inhale, circle. Exhale, breathe into the body. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands back to your belly. Let all of the breath out. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, fill up your belly, make space. Exhale, dive down towards the earth. Inhale, fly up towards the sky. Exhale, let everything out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time. Inhale, fill up your belly, spread your wings. Exhale, fly down towards the earth. Inhale, reach up towards the sky. And exhale, land in stillness. Thanks for practicing with me today. If you're interested in more practices and resources that explore the connections between body, earth, and spirit, please subscribe to my channel and check out my website and social media. I look forward to seeing you next time.